All right, welcome back. We are now going to talk about the converse, the Pythagorean theorem converse right here. Now, converse, remember, just it goes backwards. So with the Pythagorean theorem, we had to be told that it was a right triangle before we could say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So it's one of those things that if you've got a right triangle, then a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Pythagorean theorem converse goes the other way. It says if you have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if two sides of your triangle squared add to the hypotenuse squared, then you can say that the triangle is a right triangle. All right, so basically that's all you're having to do. You're going to look at this example 3. You've got 3 sides. You got to determine which one is the hypotenuse, which is really easy when you can see all 3 sides, because your hypotenuse is always going to be your largest one. So there's your C, there's your A and B, and you just have to plug them in and see if this works. So you say, here's my A, here's my B, here's my C. So I'm going to say, is 20 squared plus 21 squared, does it equal, I'm going to put a little question mark because we're not sure yet. Does that equal 29 squared? Still have not figured out how come this changes colors on me sometimes. All right, now let's just plug it into our calculator. 20 squared, I'm going to write this all out, is 400 plus 21 squared is 441. Does that equal, let's switch this nice lovely to a little red. We're trying to figure out, does that equal 29 squared? 29 squared, which is 841. And look at this. 400 plus 441 is indeed 841. That does equal 841. So is this a right triangle? This is a big yes. Okay, so this is indeed a right triangle since a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And that's all they're asking you to do. All right, so there's just a few problems on this one. Again, it's just a review. So spend just a few minutes, get this homework done, and then we'll be on to something new next lesson.